welcome to another Riley's Rambles. I think you can see behind me it's a bit of a Routemaster get together. In actual fact, there's an event going on here today at the Epping and Onger Railway, and it's the 70th anniversary of the Routemaster from when it first went into service. 70 years. What a war horse it's been. There's still loads of them around. There's so many different types. I'm going to try and film as many as I can. I can't quite reel them off the top of my head, but I guess a lot of you that are watching this will be like bus experts and well, no, just like that, what they are. Yeah, so stick around. I set up base camp with my coffee and reading material outside the North Weald Station, the start and return of today's Routemasters journeys to nearby haunts in Essex. It's the ideal location to film the buses and take on the special vibe of the event. I will be taking in 2 of the bus excursions today on the rarer types of Routemaster. Now, as I've mentioned before, I'm new to discovering heritage buses, so travelling on this type of bus, RMA48, will be a first for me. Straight away, I'm intrigued by the staircase being at the front of the bus, with the front sliding door access. Okay, so this is an RMA bus. That stands for Routemaster Airport, and was customised to take passengers speedily from the London bus terminal to Heathrow Airport, sometimes even towing a trailer for the luggage.
Unless anyone tells me, we'll go straight on through to Layout. We'll be in Layout for a few minutes and then we'll come back again, okay?
Yeah, that's
all
fine.
Right. It's about roughly an hour's round trip, I think.
Oh, is it? That's all right.
All right, to Layout and back.
Okay,
enjoy the ride.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, because these RMAs, they had the airport buses, they had the big rings.
Yeah, apparently they could. I was reading it this morning. The was it BEA, the airline?
Yeah.
Those buses went at 70 miles an hour, apparently, because you know obviously they had to get to the airport quick, didn't they? Oh, he's changing the blinds. That must be a bit of an hassle, isn't it? He's not doing it by roller.
If anyone wants to stop before North Weald Station, let me know, but we'll definitely be stopping at North Weald Station. Okay?
It's a bit busy in there.
I wish I could nick and take it through it this way. Cheers, Rod.
Well, up the A12. Yeah, cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Cheers, conductor.
Okay.
A chap I got talking to in the RMA bus kindly said he would give me a tour of his friend's bus, RM14, located in the nearby car park. Sorry for the poor camera work, but I think the excitement of the occasion got to me.
Did you right, gonna to look
relive a childhood ambition here.
That can't be right.
That's it. Cheers, mate. That's it. You wouldn't believe how much that means to me.
I did smile. Go upstairs and bring them upstairs.
Yeah, oh, I might have to do that. I tell you what,
Upstairs, yeah, you get a bus
this,
upstairs, it's a different one.
this is immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. You've been involved in like all this, doing it up, refurbishing it? Yeah.
Well, you've done a
Yeah.
bit, yeah.
I've done bits of it.
But it was
He done a lot on it.
yeah. But it's,
I made some bits for the stairs.
That's
Are
right,
they still on there?
Yeah.
I made these bits, these little things that I thought he might have taken them off of me at that ground. Anyway,
Back on again.
nice to contribute, eh?
Yeah,
It's your bit of bus.
Yeah, they're the sort of things that you just can't get replacements for.
Yeah.
So I knocked a few up for it.
It's funny, you know, not being a regular bus rider, and now you just pointing that out. You start looking at details that you wouldn't normally look at.
Trading, that's right, yeah.
Yeah. Toolboxes, is that part of the kit or
Yeah,
no?
Yeah,
that's the bit
Go
you
on,
don't want to use.
That's Harry's
That's the bit
breakdown kit.
you hope you don't have to.
Yeah. Go on, nip upstairs, is that right? Have a look. Yeah, cheers.
Find the cobwebs, it ain't been swept.
Is there a bar up there? No, don't answer that.
No.
Wow, this is fantastic. Have you ever seen moquette as clean, bright as that? Amazing. Apparently this has won prizes. Yeah. Oh, bell. Where's the bell? Oh, I see, I found it. I found it. Hang on. Yeah. Being the big kid that I am, I've got to do this again. Right. Yeah, so that's amazing. Let's had a quick tour around RM14. Yeah, you can see it in the background there. It's the one that's gleaming. Yeah, I've got to ring the bell. Yeah, what a big kid I am. And thanks guys for letting me look around RM14. Appreciate it.
I don't know what route I'm doing on that one. That's
Anything that's metal, put extra shine and everything in between, I left it as it was. So the texture makes a big deal to the way it looks. You know, this is roofing felt off the shed. Makes good tarmac.
Can I ask what?
So
What?
that's what 12 scale.
Yeah. What's the name of the manufacturer? There's some names going through my head.
Hachette Park Works originally in Germany, and then they bought it up and now it's Agora.
Okay.
So Hachette was a weekly thing.
Yeah.
And then when Agora brought it up a couple of years ago, it was a monthly issue of the parts.
So that you did it on the monthly subscription.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to do?
All over a year and a bit or something.
Yeah?
12 issues, isn't
Wow.
it? There's a lot of mods to it. I rewired some of it.
Yeah.
I changed the sound, because the sound was rubbish.
Can you give us that sound demo? I'll pick it up with this. Sorry with that.
Got a ring. And the wire in the side, it's just got what looks like a walking stick hanging on it.
Yeah.
That's because you can't get your hand in there. So with that on there, you can go like that and get it.
Oh, and that cute.
What you'll find, I open the escape hatch, you can get a shot up inside it. Roll with you.
Yeah,
Put
it's
that
a
head
bit.
right in, you can look
Yeah.
outside. So
Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Never seen it before.
To be honest, it's probably not easy to expect. I imagine reversing is hard. Because they're not easy. It's like they might be easy to expect. I'm to say, I've landed a diesel car and it kind of ruined me. You don't even need to worry about it. And that's why when I got my Fiat, I was like, so screwed. Yeah, but I had a shock driving it to be it's not that, it's like, for me, it's doing petrol car.
If you keep your eyes open, you will probably see some deer. We did have two run out in front of us on our last trip. Unfortunately, I was nicely propped up and I didn't go flying. But it's a lovely ride, and I hope you enjoy it. When we get to Chingford, there should be time if you want to get a quick photo there before we come back. Okay, any questions, give us a shout.
What's so nice about driving it? Would you say?
It's just nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Really
Yeah,
nice.
it
feels like
as a
really fast.
passenger, it's great. Yeah. But they have sort of an automatic gearbox, semi-automatic, right? So if I can drive a car, would I adapt to this quite quickly?
Oh, massively,
Yeah, yeah. Okay. That's it.